Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. Traditional backup software can help restore an entire VM, but sometimes you just need to recover specific files from the VM backup. In this video, you will learn how to use Granular Restore to quickly extract files from a Huawei ECS instance backup. Here we have a backup of Huawei ECS instance, and we are going to extract files from it. Go to Cloud Backup, Restore, Granular Restore. Select one restore point of Huawei ECS instance for Granular Restore. Click OK. Start the job. It's finished. Let's preview the files and get the ones we need. Just click the download button to download the files to the local machine. Here I have got these files on this computer. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.